Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and insights. Today, we're exploring the 2025 BMW X3, a compact luxury SUV that combines dynamic performance, innovative technology, and premium comfort in one impressive package. The 2025 BMW X3 showcases a refreshed exterior design that strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and sophistication. The bold kidney grille is flanked by sleek adaptive LED headlights, while the aerodynamic contours add to the vehicle's visual appeal. The rear features sharp taillights and a sculpted bumper with dual exhausts, emphasizing its sporty character. Buyers can choose from a variety of vibrant exterior colors and wheel designs, making it customizable to suit personal preferences. Under the hood, the X3 offers multiple powertrain options. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 2.9-liter inline-4 engine delivering 248 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and fuel efficiency. For those craving more power, the M4 Ti variant boasts a 3.7-liter inline-6 engine with mild hybrid technology, producing an exhilarating 382 horsepower. An all-electric iX3 model is also available, offering impressive range and zero emissions, catering to environmentally conscious drivers. All variants are equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional handling in various driving conditions. The 2025 BMW X3 offers a refined and spacious cabin with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Premium leather seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and real wood or aluminum accents elevate the interior ambiance. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable, ensuring maximum comfort. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and optional heated seats, making long journeys enjoyable for everyone. xDrive 8.5 infotainment system, featuring a large curved touchscreen display integrated with a fully digital instrument cluster. Standard tech includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium audio system. Advanced voice controls and optional gesture recognition make interacting with the system effortless. Safety is a priority in the X3, with BMW equipping it with an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system and a heads-up display further enhance visibility and convenience, making driving safer and stress-free. The 2025 BMW X3 continues to set the standard in the compact luxury SUV segment, offering a combination of performance, technology, and style. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or venturing off the beaten path, the X3 ensures a dynamic and luxurious driving experience. Thank you for joining us at Auto Review Pro to explore the 2025 BMW X3. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest car reviews and automotive news. See you in the next video.